Today we are going to be unboxing a unifi AP Pro.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
So I'm going to explain what an access point is, or an AP is. So what an access point is it actually makes the network show up on your phone, your computer, your laptop, whatnot, your TV, your game console. So if you set those up correctly, you should see like an AP Pro just pop up on your phone, just like that. So I mean that's my basic explanation. I mean I don't know if this is too good, but let's start unboxing at least one of them. I got two of them so they can connect in what's called a mesh. A mesh is where it connects two of them to make one Wi-Fi network for your entire house, but it's going to work everywhere in your house. Ooh, is that how you're supposed to work? Yep, or you can just peel off the tube. Give me a minute. I'm not good at this. Okay, that is Sharpie. Hard. Oh, there was an arrow. Oh. Okay, perfect. Okay. Whoop. Did I do it all done out? I don't know. Okay, pull it out. And wow, that is tiny. Okay, right. And whoop. Okay, this is called a PoE injector. Those are all tinier. These are screws to mount it on the ceiling. Mounting stuff. I'm gonna thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next.
Hey guys, welcome to Testimony. Today I'm going to be talking about the recent acquisition of the unifi AP Pro. So let's get started. Hello guys, I am back. And it's time to talk about the unifi AP Pro. And first we're going to start about what I love, what I and what I don't love. So, first things, what I love. I love that you can create 3 networks. Any of them could be guest networks. It's really easy to create a login page. So 3 networks. Let's go in there. Then we got the what's another good feature? The form factor. It's really tiny. And it can be mounted on the ceiling. It's already included. You know, it's a good device. That'll go right there. And then we have got just the general usage of the controller. It's very easy to use. It just screams usability. Because like the interface looks great. I can't even good. It's really good. So now we are gonna go over to the next part of the video that is we're gonna go on this side, and then the cons. I don't have many of them. I'm just gonna go there. So now we're starting, and wow, there are a lot of them. I'm gonna give you guys 3. But, I mean, I've got a lot more. So, what I think is okay about them is the range is okay. I mean, I needed to install 2. One over there and one way over there in my other room, which is there and there. So, yeah, it was like, wow. So, pardon my room's cleanliness. It's the morning, so I barely had time to clean my bed, as you can see. And so let's just block that out of the camera's view. Perfect. Okay. And look at these LEDs. They're nice. I didn't get those though. So So what's about the Unify AP Pro? The range. I already said that. The firmware upgrades. How about that? It takes forever to update the settings, to firmware update it. Like, wow, a lot. Okay, now to do one more. Oh no, I don't think I'll be able to do this. Oh yes, perfect. They need the controller on the entire time. If you want to guess network, which is what I use. So you need the controller on all the time if you want to get statistics and stuff like that. So, you know. The cons. I have 3 of them and exactly 3 of them. Okay, let's see. They get super warm. Like, I've touched them and they like make my hand go away quickly. So I'm gonna move this down a little bit more. Perfect. Yeah, they like, wow. So I would like to get something that's a little warmer. I got the AP AC Pro. I thought I was gonna get the Unify AP Pro, but I did not. But that's fine. This one's tinier anyway, but you know, I think they're the same thing also. So I've gotten one con. It gets too warm. Okay, second con. The bottom's uneven, and I'll show you that. Look at that Unify AP Pro, the bottom's uneven. So then, the bottom, yeah. And then that's the second one. And the last but not least one, the one that I hate the most, is it costs a lot. So I had to pay $300 for all of this, just from all my money. And I wouldn't even say that it's the best thing I could have gotten. It's like really good, but it's like I could have gotten better. I mean, it's still really like I could have gotten one for a better price. That's what I'm saying. Like everything else, usability, just like form factor, everything's pretty nice. Thumbs up for that. Thumbs up for that. There you go. It's just, it's good. It's good. So, with that, I will thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.